Ebusian for Mamunina Akwaba Eba Ghana and Sem TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for say if I could way so Mika say our fundraising towards a year studio setup still is ongoing. So far we've been able to raise 7,000 out of the 25,000. That's it. Screen I say you can help in any way you want, as you always do. Cheers. Damase. Ebusianfo. Yan ya noma omuka sa akọ nwa your friend the base. You see, you have to understand, say, anything that is born out of rebellion that is not worth it, it cannot withstand anything, it cannot withstand time. Yeah. Say, you don't have a genuine reason for it. You know within yourself, say, it's not good, it's not right. Because obiansi simo abana yena yeko 2 years. Eto abana no. The people decided, say, this time around, no, it should be a bawumia. Decision of the people, which should be respected. Yes, sir. And see, say, you've been part of the process. Wow, because say, oh, election idea, yan riamo. But you still decide to say, then issues comes up. Mo say, adia, a kwa mwatino, just 2 months ni. Already, another section has also broken away. She said the base, no, there was the base and the basement. The base and the basement. Because the foundation is weak. There is no foundation, there is no rationale for creating such a group. And then I make TikTok, I make share my live back. You realize, say, even among them, they are beginning to hate one another with their lines of argument, their ways of doing things, and the kind of things they stand for. Because at movement, another agenda that you are pursuing, a lost cause. A lost cause. Moi nipa muse mu kumano. Nipa no. Wetina ni fear ordering home. Because me, I don't want to believe, say, yeah, Papa Ken, Eshes had a basic. I don't want to believe that. I want to give him that benefit of the doubt. Now, should he come out, say, yeah, Papa Ken, Eshes Mechi there, I will be so disappointed. Extremely disappointed, no jokes. I will be disappointed to the extent, say, I don't even know how I'll be able to voice it out. Because Honorable Ken, whatever he wanted in the build-up to that very election, there was even a time, I said everything is being done to favor Honorable Ken. So if beyond that, he will again be behind this, sorry to say, but quite useless group of people, grouping that has come up. Everybody say Ghana democracy no a duopoly, either NPP or NDC. The time for a third force has not come, and I'm not sure will come any moment soon. US4, they've been independent. Since for over 250 years now. And yes, sir. Yet it has always been Democrats and Republicans. There are other political parties in USO. There are other ones. But always Democrats and Republicans. And how do you feel yourself because joining at the BBC debate? You are wasting your time. You are wasting your money. And you are wasting your emotion. Come back to the NPP. It's not yet too late. It's not yet too late, too. And yet too late. Come back. We are ready to accept you with open arms. But if you keep rejecting and it gets too later, You have yourselves to blame. You can't blame me. We told you. I catch them.
No na adwene ni betimi develop Ghana. Ya wono na adwene ni betimi de Ghana akọ the promised land so. Yenjai sa metum makan na ntini twitwa no. Na yema the base ni enyini. The base has come to stay. The base aba betenase. The base aba abenya fa ahudie. The base aba ebenya power. Medama say inti dia ye de Frank Mensa obeto aso amaye.
Na me shout. Okay. Business na kafra. Franco. Ghana first. And me sero bla na menti your voice. Sero. What say hobla?
He said the base de run the and one yebo. Sa ko me say you dey huru the obe leader no. E na me sere mo ade ba ko hia me am pese me catch the base for nyina. Ya na obi yeti so.
Nka da wo yere. Yento kasa.
Utimega.
Esro baby a de onsa so mu na rade jemu na kasa.
Utimega.
Jaja wo ye na kasa.
Ade ba ko amesre the base for no. Ye betie si obi si wakoti ni the base bi wakoti. Mo man nti wo ye campaign man party yanti ni mienu o. Die nipa no a ni din anase ni picture ba betaso no. Enne me ye hu the base no de ne dia. Enti yes anu ane yase ye ntiti mu bi na sefo obi nam ni ba bi ye de base amane nye wo ye campaign man ena ade ba konso a megina ha mesre phobia tbb a on free telephone emusa nipa no on piti prekope me makoti aje ko asem bi a we ka ho 2 times in phobia ma hu se wa ye mesre phobia o tbb a onya botre sa na yatikuo ye nyina prekope na obetena na wo kanipa asmasi akese free nipa no ne bisa no na de bi a woni ntiase na kirekire mu kire no enye se obe ma wo so a na waka wa de bi egu esa party no eno ka ho bi egu party no fi papa e pamu nipa nso free ekuo mu woti bibi na nipa no do no na so wati bibi no wa musa na wo betra o radio so na wo bie wano se de wo cancer against mahunu 2 times obi ho a okuo ni mu ese onya abotre ene ne kasa emfiti prekope enkaso wate asem bi no wabetra radio so na wo boni din ene hwan dapi enye etimesre no wote bibi a on try so obenya nipa ne ni telephone number no ne na kasa ebia na ntesa esa epam nipa firi ekuo ni mu ye pedom ye ne abre ekuo wo ti no anya ho brase se de obesi akasa nipa ho wote asem bi se de obesi ebisa se de ye wura kana Japan wote ene Mr. Otibonsu omu fiti prekope nyi omu ade ansa no be yo ma de no munim omanya evidence no eti yensua saadi we nyina wuku no ebetin mu emman tie bibia obi ati se obi ti the base hwan komu ne ko into deep nefa evidence ne bra nyese yebetron ya kan fala se de amanfo ye bi no mesre the base for mom ye bibia nye kama enko pepe se de the base no ye party no ebe ye soronko ebe ye soronko a che party bia e wo Ghana bia because the base no ye beji Ghana afri omu because school for be awie adwuma ebetumi saamre obi anya adwuma nya it is said the menu amoka no da wuro no yemmo enwuro school omu su kuta vote pa ye wurom na se kokomu mu a omu su behu say yes daachi omu wie school a ombenya bibi papi because we hwe a school for mu koye exam so mu fail ye da bia no kura na me ka se aban no obi amanfo bi ati eyi bia wo pese o sa ko register fofora ye beje obi a 50 million eti sa kwanya we nyina ho na se aban ye papa enko wanyi ebi mu 10 million 20 million no mu sa kan register no mu sa kwotwere foforo eso sei enam se Ghana mranya adwumenti no ebi mu won kyenkyen a omo agi amanfo sika twitwiridie se de nkura ne betima sa register wedi nyina no ehu hia magana nkura no maferi no nanka ekwanya bi wo sa no nka aban na ese nko ye sa sika ne ko ateso nanka man nkura na sa akọ repeat eno nso betima boa mikakra be kanti the base ya mum yenya kakra ne yema ya yi no enye different ye chochochocho be no bitia no kan da bi yesremu na ye party no enye soronko enye krabehwe enye asomdwe party enche party bia ewo Ghana bia midima no asi
engage in this.
Okay.
Right.
Kofi, do you agree from his point of view, the anti-Galamsey crusaders should step back and say, look, allow some moratorium here.
Look,
okay, a reprieve here, an amnesty.
Don't even worry yourself. I'm saying that the CSOs, etc., they are not even doing enough. Why? If there is one thing President Mahama has learned and done very well, it's statecraft, skillful coordination of state affairs, optics. President Mahama, in the last 8 years when he was home, probably went to a university or pursued a degree in optics. This is a president who said that he is going to arrest campaigns and get rid of campaigns because they are the cause of Galamsey.
This is campaign.
Has a single campaign been arrested?
What are you saying? Are we not in court?
Listen, Wontumi, Mahama went after Wontumi in his first Mahama term. That is not an issue. That's not even a good example. Let's not even bring it. The point is, President Mahama said, we will end Galamsey because we shouldn't focus on the small boys. We should focus on the campaigns. A year and 3 months in government, not a single campaign. Guess what? Erastus has helped him. Who the campaigns are? Naimos has helped him. Who the campaigns are? Then we wake up and the president comes to tell us.
His party executives have been named. He has asked them to be investigated.
Please, let me finish. They are all campaigns. Have they been arrested? Then we wake up and the president tells us, my party people are involved. Do you know what's even funny? The president said, when it comes to Galamsey, anytime a government comes into power, that government's people then become the campaigns of the Galamsey.
You're speaking the facts.
Yes. So what it means is that when he was in opposition, he knew. Because he's been president before. He knew that under him, NDC campaigns were doing Galamsey. Yet, he pontificated, as pious as he is, and created the impression that party people only got involved in Galamsey under Akufo-Addo. Such a lie. Is President Mahama telling us that he only found out last week that NDC campaigns are doing Galamsey? Is that what President Mahama is telling us? The person who gets national security briefing every day is telling us he found out last week?
You are saying the DCE should be sacked in fact?
No, I am saying that the president has failed.
How?
His fight against Galamsey is a disgrace. Please, let me talk.
How?
I am saying that President Mahama is clothed with all the apparatus to fight Galamsey, and he has failed woefully.
That's a general subject.
No, I'm coming
now.
there. I'm coming there. Why wouldn't the DCs do it? Because the president himself told us at the meet the press that there is benefit in getting money or revenue from Galamsey money.
You are forgetting that this tax,
do you remember
according
what
to the
Kojo
president,
Jansen
this
asked,
tax
please,
predates this government.
Do you remember what Kojo Jansen asked the president? And the president had the effrontery. He didn't even have the decency. Respectfully, Mr. President. And the president told us that there is nothing wrong if we benefit from Galamsey money.
I suspect respectfully that you have detected yourself that you used the wrong expression.
And that's why I said respectfully.
You are changing it.
That's why I said respectfully.
Okay, all right.
So the point
Maybe you
is,
can recall and apologize.
The point is, no, I just said respectfully. Mato Sebi, Yantuaso. The point is, why wouldn't the DCs do it? Because the president has set example.
And I'm saying
that you can benefit from Galamsey money.
Are you ignoring the fact?
Samson, do you know?
Are you ignoring the fact, as the president says, that this was going on? It's not that it started in his regime. The DCs were already
Samson,
doing it.
I just told you earlier that for the first time in the history of this republic, a candidate made himself holier than thou and said that Ghana is so bad, I am going to reset it.
You are still yet to recover. And
we are going to reset it. And that president fails.
Unlock your stay for less with app-exclusive prices. Download the free Booking.com app today.
Previous to reset, and we are being quoted previous examples.
Are they not valid?
We are being quoted previous examples.
In this situation, we are not talking about previous examples. So
What are
he's
you talking
saying
about? that this tax for Galamsey predates these I things who know are what now you in. are saying, and I'm saying that as part of the reset, the very day they set their foot in the office, they should have done away with it. Why? Are there no laws? He's becoming aware now. Are there no laws that are on the books but not implemented? So assuming that it's even a tax on the books. There are even taxes that are He's zero saying, rated. he's saying that the expose by Joy News has brought it to his attention. It was only one district, and the expose, the investigation. I will tell you this, and then it affects all Galamsey, all mining communities, and he says, I have ordered that it should be stopped now. I am telling you categorically. Go forward. I'm telling you categorically. As I speak here, Honorable Aqua just sent me a dossier.
Who is Honorable Aqua?
Honorable Akwesi Aqua just sent me a dossier of petitions he has sent to the Jubilee House on this tax issue before you expose it.
Who is Akwesi Aqua?
Oh, I just told you, Honorable Akwesi Aqua. He sent me the dossier. I have it here.
Who is he? I just want to identify him.
Oh, MP. The MP.
My viewers are watching and listening.
Let me. Okay. Let me.
Not everybody.
I thought maybe
he's an ex-official member of the assembly. He benefited from those monies on projects.
Honorable Alexander Akwesi Aqua. Achimoda constitution.
Yes, he was an ex-official member of the assembly. And when they were taking all this money, he was receiving it.
Sorry, hold on.
He was receiving the money. He was receiving some of the monies.
It's okay.
On assembly project. Is he not an ex-official member? Did he ever question it as MP?
Thank you. Yes.
He couldn't have even written a petition.
He has written on the seal, parliamentary seal to the president.
So
the president knew
about
the taxes.
The taxes.
Because he says
when did he write?
In his constituency.
When did he write?
Oh, several.
No, when?
Oh, I can give you one.
So the first letter.
So this one is this one. I don't know if he sent it in order, but this particular one is November 3rd, 2025.
2025.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm saying that he sent several.
Okay. But the president has now actioned this. He's happy.
Something. I'm saying that the honorable is telling us that before your expose, he had written to the president. Okay? He had written to the president. Now, let me come to the CEOs. Samson, you're good friends.
Okay.
My very good friend here. You're good friends.
And you need to pause on the next minute. You have done more than anybody has done.
So not fair.
See, let me tell you. Hold on.
If he gives you all the time, you do the same.
Hold on. I don't like doing this, but I want